In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set customer permissions in Jira Service Management. This is a useful skill for anyone managing customer interactions through Jira, as it allows you to tailor who can communicate with your support team and how these interactions can occur. Let's start by navigating to the project settings within your Jira Service Management project. This is your command center where you can control various aspects of how your project operates. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Access section. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Customer Permissions. Clicking on this will take you to the core of your permission settings. Here, you'll encounter several options that give you control over how customers can interact with your service desk. The first major area is Channel Access. This setting determines who can send requests through your various customer service channels, such as the portal, widget, or email. It's essential to consider who you want to have access to these channels, as this can significantly impact your operations. You have a couple of options under this setting. If you prefer a more controlled environment, you can choose the restricted option. This means that only individuals who are directly invited to your project can submit requests. It's a great choice if you want to have tight control over who engages with your service desk, perhaps because you're dealing with sensitive information or a high volume of requests. On the flip side, if you want to open the doors wider and allow anyone to submit a request to your project, you can select the Open option. This is beneficial for more general support functions where you want to encourage broad access. Another crucial aspect is customer sharing. This setting allows you to manage how existing customers can interact with one another and share requests. It's a layer of control that can help manage collaborations and information sharing between your customers. Finally, consider the global customer access settings. Site administrators have the authority to manage these settings at a broader site level, which means that any adjustments made here could impact your project level permissions. This is particularly important to synchronize if you're managing multiple projects or a larger team, ensuring consistency and control across your operation. Remember, setting the right customer permissions is about balancing access and control, ensuring your service desk operates smoothly while also fulfilling your organizational needs. By understanding and effectively managing these permissions, you enhance both your team's efficiency and your customers' experience. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. If you have any further questions or need clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below.